All right, welcome back, everybody. Let's get into your forecast. We're watching clouds stream in from the south and west on our satellite and radar. We'll continue to see that through the rest of this morning and eventually clear out for the afternoon. We'll end up with some sunshine and some very warm temperatures in the upper 70s to low 80s. We certainly do need the rain as we have been very, very dry. We'll have a couple of chances of some rain into the 7-day forecast, one being Tuesday into Wednesday and the other being Friday into Saturday. We're going to be watching that very closely. We do have areas of severe to even extreme drought conditions. So again, like I was saying, we certainly do need the rain, and any sort of rainfall is going to be very welcome. Pretty dry for today. Next wave of showers will be coming through Tuesday into Wednesday, and then this big potent wave off to the west will be circling through the area as we head into Friday into Saturday. We could have some showers, maybe even some thunderstorm action as well as we head into Saturday. Some good accumulating rain that will definitely be welcome as far as our drought is concerned. Upper 70s to low 80s for this afternoon. Winds right out of the south blowing in some nice warm air. 60s for the overnight. Clouds will make a bit of a return into Tuesday. We'll end up with some cloudy skies altogether for Tuesday afternoon, and just Tuesday in general, temperatures only making it to the 70s. And then here comes that wave of rain early Wednesday, mainly along and north of I-20 is where most of the rain is going to be. All of us will at least have a chance for rain, but a lot of it will be along and north of I-20. Temperatures for the morning on Wednesday in the middle to upper 50s to low 60s. We'll end up with some clearing skies for the afternoon. Temperatures will make it to the upper 60s to low 70s, and then we're going to be watching for some pretty dry conditions all the way up until Friday and especially into Saturday as our next big wave comes through. Could have some heavier thunderstorms embedded within this next round of rain, and by the end of Saturday we should be in pretty good shape, and Sunday looking beautiful as well with some minorly cooler temperatures as well. Rainfall over the next 7 days, totaling it all up, at least an inch, maybe even an inch and a half is going to be possible in some pockets here. So again, we're running around 4 to 5 inches below where we should be this time of year, especially this time of season. So this will help us with that deficit just a little bit. So any sort of rain, again, will be very welcome heading into the next several days. If you're heading out to the park today, absolutely gorgeous conditions. You are good to go. 60s for this morning, 70s by noon, and low 80s for this afternoon. And a high temperature of 82 degrees almost makes it to our record high temperature of 84, which was set in Tyler back in 1954. So again, near record high temperatures expected for today. Very mild conditions even into the next several days as temperatures continue to be in the 70s, close to 80. We should be in the low 60s for this time of year, but instead we're making a run for the 70s and 80s. Again, we're watching that next chance in the near term for rain. Wednesday morning, Wednesday afternoon, you are going to be good to go. And then through Thursday and Friday, should be nice and dry. We'll end up with some mostly sunny conditions, becoming cloudy into Friday as that next wave comes through. Temperatures going back into the middle to upper 70s, close to 80 for your day on Friday. And if you're having any sort of outdoor plans for Saturday, definitely would move that indoors as we are expecting that big wave of rain to come through. Definitely will be beneficial, but I definitely would recommend moving those plans into Sunday with mostly sunny skies and 66 degrees in the forecast.